No more 6 months tourist visa extension in the Philippines.
What? What? What?
Hi, this is JR from JRC Visa and Beyond, and I am the foreigner's guide here in the Philippines. The Philippines is one of the countries in Southeast Asia that has a very flexible visa term for tourists. Imagine, you can stay here in the Philippines as tourists for 24 to 36 months. Upon entry to the Philippines, you will be granted with initial 30 days. Then, you will have the options to extend it by 1 month, 2 months, and 6 months. Unfortunately, 6 months is no longer available. Many foreigners have reacted to this and asked why. As of now, we are still waiting for the official announcement. This may cost you with more trips going to the immigration office, more time in traffic jams, and of course, more cost in doing your extension. Worry no more. 6 months tourist visa extension might not be available. However, you can still do 2 months extension or 1 month. And of course, there will be other visa options that you can check out. Call us if you need assistance and we'll be happy to guide you. The 6 months tourist visa extension might be suspended permanently, but the 36 months maximum allowable stay for the tourist visa is still available. And I think that is more that we can be thankful for.